have. Comment below, hit like, subscribe, don't care, don't like, don't subscribe, whatever you want to do. Thanks for stopping by The Thoughtful Carpenter. So we have the that I just reviewed for 12 minutes and now I'm re-reviewing. So ssd18ltx200bl from Metabo, Germany Metabo, not Metabo HPT, but this coincides with another impact. The interior of this impact is actually the Metabo HPT triple hammer, which was like the impact of the year for like 5 years in a row. Hell, they didn't even compete. They wouldn't even let them compete with the other drills because it had 3 heads of impact, and now they're letting it compete finally. And it's a 36-volt tool nowadays. But regardless, there's a huge reason that I love this tool way over top of the Metabo HPT version. A, it's on the cordless alliance system. To me, that is almost enough in and of itself, because my Methel saws run on it, my Lamello joiner is going to run on it next year. So many tools are in Germany right now that I just want to have that are cordless alliance system. I mean, they have a double battery dust extractor, double battery table saw. They've got, and it can run a 36-volt battery from Metabo. They have huge rotary hammers. Unbelievable stuff over in Germany. Anyway, regardless, let's get back to the point. The biggest reason that I like this is the controllability aspect of it. So it actually has 12 speeds. It's got your slow, so it speeds up real quick. It's called a self-tapping mode. It's more or less for sheet metal. And I actually like running it when I'm doing framing, because when I set my speed, it goes fast at first. Goes fast at first, and then it slows down. Ready? So fast at first, and then slows down so you can control it, so I'm not overdriving that screw. And then you can set it at 1. Ready? Now I set it at 1, pull the trigger in fully. Fingers on the trigger all the way. Just chilling. It doesn't matter. It's just chilling there. Oh, by the way, safety, #1 priority, is the crazy Russian hacker will tell you. Although let's not talk about Russia right now with the whole Ukrainian conflict. Anyway, back to our topic. You can crank this guy all the way up to P, which is power mode. And so it's got 1 through 10 plus P and the other starting mode, or the self-tapping mode. Ready, power? You'll overdrive it almost every single time on a 3-inch screw like this. But the reason that I like the power is because when you're driving those big, honking, huge lag bolts, or you're doing like 1/2-inch headlocks into LVLs all day long. Although I would say that if you are going to do that, I'd probably step over and grab this drill, the LTX3. This thing can drive lags all day, and you don't need hearing protection when you're doing it, which is really nice. Yeah, go back and check out the LTX3. This thing is sweet. Removable chuck. You can get all kinds of stuff for that. That's in a previous review if you want to go take a look at that. But anyway, my favorite impact, it will stay my favorite impact. The one downfall, I have one downfall for this, it's the stupid belt clip. I've talked about it in previous reviews. It comes loose over time, so I run a bunch of hot glue in the backside of it, set it on top. I put Loctite on my screw and I drive it home. This one's been on here for a good 6 months. In the beginning, when I first started doing this, it would get loose on me constantly. I'd always have to find an Allen key and tighten it up. And at the end of the day, I'd end up like almost half stripping that Allen key because I'd probably find the wrong one or something. Also, best feature, add-on feature for an impact is the DFM tool. This thing's amazing. There's you've got magnets on it, so you can throw screws all over. You can have like 15 or 20 drywall screws on it. And then when you're done with your bit, you can slap that right inside of there. Grab your other one out. Throw that in and you're ready to rock and roll. It is that quick. I've been doing this for 8 years. This is hands down my favorite impact that I've ever used. And I actually need to buy another one because they're only like 125 bucks right now. And they're about to discontinue this. So if you want to get into it, go grab one now. Otherwise, they're going to be gone soon. Again, remember it's that Metabo, German Metabo, not Metabo HPT. It's got the battery release built into it. Check you soon. Check back for new videos. I will try my best to continue my deluge of German products for you. All right, peace out.